my name is Bree Lever, and in this video we're going to give you a quick tutorial of how to assemble the Moonshade awning. This is a video for Sun Salt Campervans. We have cozy and luxury campervans here on Hawaii Island, on Big Island. So we have an awning as an add-on for your trip, and it's easy to install, but there's a couple tricks that will help make it a little bit faster. So we're going to show you how to do that in this video. Let's get started. So the first thing I want to do is unpack everything. We have 4 poles here that we'll bring in at a later time in the process. But the first thing you're going to want to do is grab the side of the awning that has the 2 suction cups. And these are really sturdy, but they have to go, here, come a little closer maybe. They have to go on a flat surface, and on this van there's just very particular spots you have to place them in order for the whole thing to work out. So on this side of the van, you'll start, I recommend getting up right here. You'll need to spit on it. And let's see here. The suction cup goes on just to the right of this seam, but before it starts curving. So right about and right on top. So right up. There we go. All right. And then in the back, and be mindful when you do the suction cup, this lever might be down, so you have to pull it up to loosen it. You'll spit and then press it down to secure it. On this side, you're gonna, on 2 of the vans, this is Laverne. Laverne and Betty both have showers on the top, but Shirley and Bertha, they don't, but it's still, it's not a fully even surface on the top. So for all of the vans, you still have to put it on the side here. Okay, so we're gonna get it as taut as possible. And there we go. All right, so the next step is to insert the poles in the middle, the cross bars. So it has a little pocket here. You'll push that in, and then this pole is a little bit bent already, so makes it a little bit easier. And then you'll get these latches here. I like to just have one to keep it in place to start, and then you can easily get the other bar in place. All right, I'm gonna latch them on here. Next up, we're gonna take these nifty ground poles and raise it up like so. So if you come a little closer, you'll see there's these little divots that these go through. And then for extra security, there's a carabiner that loops through that metal piece. All right, so that's our first one.
And those poles are extendable, right?
They are, yeah, that's a great point. So I'll show that in a second. We've got the divot, and then we've got a little metal clip, extra security. And they are extendable, so you'll notice it's kind of leaning towards the front a little bit, but when you press in this little button, you can raise it up. Oops, not there. There we go. And go higher or lower depending on what you want. And then the final step is just to secure these down with the bag of which is in the van.
Which is a great opportunity to show how it slides.
Yeah, Yeah, so the one thing to be mindful of, because this side has to be a little bit lower, just be mindful when opening the door. It can still open past. Oh, great. But sometimes it can just get a little caught, so don't force it. And then this is the bag with stakes. So you can stake down the front sides with the rope, and you're all set. So I recommend using the awning if you know you're going to be somewhere like for the full day. It's quick and easy to set up, but you don't really want to like move around too much once it's set up, because then you have to take it down. So let us know what you think if you have any questions about the awning. My name's Bree and I'm here to help. Thanks.